Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect a hearing aid to a Chromebook using the Roger Touchscreen. First you'll need your Chromebook, a hearing aid with an appropriate receiver, the Roger Touchscreen, and an audio access cable. With the Chromebook already turned on, plug one end of the audio access cable into the headphone port. Then, take the Roger Touchscreen and press and hold the button at the side to turn it on. On the main screen, press the Connect button to connect the Roger Touch to the hearing aid. Take the other end of your audio access cable and plug it into the Roger Touch. A menu will pop up automatically. Select the option that says Input. This will mute the microphone. This is what we want. If the menu doesn't pop up, scroll over to the Settings option and select it. Then scroll down to Audio Settings, and you'll get the same menu where you can press Input. The student's hearing aid should now have access to the signal from the Chromebook via the Roger Touchscreen. During an online class, the student should now be able to hear their teacher and peers using the Roger Touchscreen. Their voice will be going through the microphone of the Chromebook itself. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Bye!